Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize UTM tracking for LinkedIn links in HubSpot, full guide step by step clearly. To get started with UTM tracking for LinkedIn links in HubSpot, first, log into your HubSpot account. Navigate to your dashboard and click on the Marketing tab. From the drop-down menu, select the Campaigns option. Click on the Create Campaign button to begin a new campaign. Next, fill in the campaign details such as name and description. Scroll down to the URL Builder section. Here, you will see fields for adding UTM parameters. For the campaign source, enter LinkedIn. In the campaign medium field, input the medium used. You may also add optional tags in the campaign term and campaign content fields if needed. Once you've filled in all the required fields, click on the Generate URL button. Copy the generated URL provided by HubSpot. You can now use this URL in your LinkedIn posts or ads. To track your UTM links, navigate back to the Campaigns tab. Click on the campaign you just created. In the campaign dashboard, you will see insights and analytics related to traffic sources. This data will help you evaluate the effectiveness of your LinkedIn links. Finally, always double-check that your UTM parameters are correct before sharing your links on LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.